उड़ू ऊंचा।
Now it's story time. Kathy is a girl. She has a cat. She likes cookies. She went to the market to buy vegetables. She bought cauliflower, cabbage, and cucumber. When she came home, she was tired. So, she ate a cupcake and some candies she got from the birthday party. Kathy, cat, cookies, cauliflower, cabbage, cucumber, cupcake, candies.
Like, share and subscribe.